Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a brand new cleaning video. It has been a couple of weeks since I have filmed, but I am back to my regular content and I have missed filming, and I hope you are all well. Today I'm jumping straight into this clean with me. I am cleaning my room and I am tackling some laundry as well. So if you are after about 20 minutes of cleaning motivation today, then this is definitely the video for you. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to 3 teenagers. Well, one will be a teenager in January, and here on my channel I like to film lots of cleaning videos, one to motivate me and two motivate you as well. So if you love cleaning videos, then I would love for you to consider clicking the subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. I have been uploading every Wednesday and Saturday at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Time. I have had a little break, but I am recharged and ready to go to give you some motivation. And here I am on the phone to my best friend, and I was just showing her this little towel hack that I learned off TikTok, and oh my goodness, this is amazing. And I think I'm going to be doing my whole linen cupboard like this. So if you'd like to see a video more how I do this, then definitely comment below. But I've also started filming TikTok videos as well, so if you are after a little daily cleaning motivation, I'll be filming them over there as well. But I hope you are all well. I'll pop back in and out and chat to you, and yeah, let's get cleaning. And here I am just explaining to my best friend how awesome this towel hack would be if you have swimming lessons with kids. You can pop their bathing cap, their goggles, all in there, and they do not fall out. And what I love about that towel hack is when you're pulling a towel out of the basket, if you have baskets for towel storage, they don't all fall apart on you. So I'll definitely will be doing a reorganize of my linen cupboard with this towel hack because I absolutely love it. And I am loving that hack also for the beach towels for summertime. We are coming into summer here in Australia. We have a swimming pool, and the towels will all be nice and snug and easy to pull out as well. So one tip I have for you, if you are feeling unmotivated and you need to clean your house and you have someone you could chat to on FaceTime, they could either be cleaning along with you or you could be chatting, then that is one of my biggest tips. As I was cleaning today, my best friend was cleaning her room as well. We kept each other motivated, and I find this is the best way. Not only are you getting to chat to someone, but you're accomplishing a job for the day as well. So I love to use my FaceTime or just my AirPods so I can clean and talk at the same time. And before I even had my AirPods, I used to have a bum bag, as we call them here in Australia, and I used to wear it around my waist, and I used to pop my phone in there and I used to listen to them. So if you've been here for a while, you would know that I used to do that, but that is one way I do if I want to be motivated, or I'll pop a good book on to listen to, or some really upbeat music I'll play as well. But that is one of my biggest tips. And this is by no means a super deep clean. This is just my general clean that I do for the week, just to dust everything over. I find our house gets really dusty because we have 2 cats, 2 border collies. I've got 2 daughters and myself with really long hair. We also live on a little farm that has a dirt driveway, so it's constantly dusty and dirty here, and it is a battle to keep the dust at bay. So I find when I'm feeling unmotivated, I definitely pop those AirPods in and have something on there, or chatting to someone to keep me motivated.
I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
I never thought breakups were pretty. You told a lie, I let you go. You started the words that I completed, but that was then, so long ago. I told you then, like I say now, that we were golden. Now you're not here, you brought us down, I told you so. Oh, how I wish I didn't care, that we were okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. Meet me back here next year, and I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking by myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. I go to bed to get up early. I go to work and not much change. I met a girl and she's quite funny, but I'm not quite there, ready for love. It's been alright without you here, though it was better when you were there right by my side that long ago. Oh, how I wish I didn't care if I was okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. But now I've been there and done that, and now I'm fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking about myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. Now winter's here in our old city, and I breathe the fresh air and feel good.
So it was a beautiful sunny day here. I didn't film me hanging the washing out on the line as it was the kids' school uniform, but now I have some washing that I hadn't folded the day before, and I love these little baskets that I have that I got from Bunnings. They're just the Hills baskets, and I believe you can get similar ones in Kmart, and I find this is a great tip, and I'm just filming this to make a TikTok video, that if you fold the kids' clothes, I used to pop them on their bed, they'd throw them on the floor if they didn't pop them away, or if I hadn't put them away, whereas if I pop them in the basket, then I can put them in their room, they don't get thrown about, and they all stay together. So that is one of my handy tips. If you don't get round to popping clothes away, make sure you have a little basket that you can pop them in when you get the chance, and then they're just nice and collapsible, so you can store them away as well if you are on top of your laundry and you pop your clothes away straight away. But I know that there is definitely times that that does not happen.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go?
So that load of washing is now finished, and I will hang that out on the clothesline too, and I will also then go back into the bathroom and finish cleaning. And whilst I was cleaning today, I did actually have my robotic vacuum on out in the living room and the kitchen, so Bruce the robotic vacuum was doing a job for me as well.
Such a different kind of love. A different kind of love. Such a different kind of. When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the hope chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of. Nothing's easy, nothing ever is, but some love is haunted from the start. From the get-go to the final blow, yeah, you've got a different kind of heart. You were a merry-go-round, I you when we started off. It sure was a different kind of love.
And on my number one to-do list this weekend is replace that toilet lid. It just keeps slipping off. It doesn't matter how much we've tightened it and what we've done. So that is on my to-do list. And also remove the sticker on the toilet where it says how water efficient it is. I've been meaning to move it every time I look at it to do a cleaning video, and I haven't got a magic eraser. So hopefully next time you see me cleaning the toilet, which is very joyful, my toilet seat will be sitting on properly and there won't be that ugly sticker.
A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. Such a different kind of love. A different kind of love. Such a different kind of
Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's video gave you all the motivation that you needed today, and I am going to pop up on the screen now a playlist with hours more of cleaning motivation, and I hope to see you in my next video. So don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave today, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.